oh no, wrong way. Let me think about this. What's this? This is a run, run, run. Your maneuver. You're going to shatter me. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Almost crashed all these cars. Do you know? Don't know, don't know. You're on the highway. You passed it, you passed it. Passed it, get off. If you reverse back, you're going the wrong way on the highway. You get a 12-point penalty and a 200 yuan fine. Your driving license will be temporarily suspended. You have to go out and choose another sticky rice. Oh, not bad. You found out you ran into your own car. Okay, isn't it that when the negotiation didn't work out, you went directly to my sister's workplace and took her out? Locked her up in their 4S store for 5 hours. Detained her fake ID and ID card and wouldn't let her leave. So why did you buy insurance? I bought it. You didn't buy it. Didn't I say so? If we go with fairness and justice, where's the justice in that? What are you yelling about? How did you lose it? If we don't resolve this issue today, you definitely won't leave. You can leave. Wherever you go, we'll follow you. The 80,000 yuan repair fee they proposed is indeed quite high. We can't afford it. Prada family. Are there really some people who can't control their limbs? I've said it many times. Open the door gently. This time it was hit again with abnormal vibration. To the one in front, hang up. Then it's hung up. You still didn't get it. Nah. You don't have it either. Hold up, ho. And you want me to love me? When you tell me so. I'll beat him, damn it. Tonight I'm going to fight you to the death. He's still grabbing at me. I've waited for so long. Finally, the day has come. I've dreamt for so long. Finally, the dream comes true. The road ahead is long. Hurry up. If you don't leave now, I tell you, I'm definitely going to make you pay today. I'm telling you. Can you be reasonable? Can you not be so excessive? I'm not being excessive. He's cursing, and he's cursing at you. If you curse, I can't live with it. You get out of here right now. Otherwise, go to the police. I can't stand the cursing. I can't stand you and your mother. Your mother, did you hear that? Walk the remaining 700 meters by yourself. Who are you comparing yourself to, you motherfucker? You don't want service? Can't not serve. Won't let him die. Get this service going. What kind of car is this? Then what? Only when your mother is dead, right? I should let you come with me more. I'm so annoying. I screwed my mother over. Oh my God. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't run out. Let me step on it.